राधे राधे दोस्तों, it is Presspull command part 1. In this tutorial, we will learn how can we convert 2D object into 3D object by using Presspull command. So let's start. First, I'll go to drawing file and then I'll start my drawing by line command. I'll draw 14 mm line, then upward 7, then left side 50, then downward 14, left right side 14, and I'll join this point. Now I'll again select line command by pressing enter again. I'll go downward, now 14, now right side 14, then I'll join this, press. Now I'll again go to line command. This time I'll select 36 towards side, upward 7, left side 14, and I'll join these two. Now I'll go and select arc command. In arc I'll select center, start and end option. Now I'll go select center point of this line as the center of arc. This is first point and this is end point. Now I delete this line. I'll select all my drawing and I'll join these all points so it become object. Now I'll go to home command, and if you're getting, you can select parallel. Now I'll select my Presspull command. I'll select first rectangle and I'll draw it upward 21, height I give 21. I'll select my second, I'll give it height 14, and I'll select this area. Now I'll give its height 7, press enter. As you can see, those I've done with my Presspull command. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, you can subscribe my channel and press bell icon so